Imagine a city that looks to nature for inspiration.
What do you mean?
Well, nature is always changing. In spring, spare trees turn green, then flowers and fruits grow. In autumn, the leaves turn red and yellow and orange, and finally they fall off, and nothing is ever wasted.
Oh, like how fallen leaves become soil.
Exactly. This is the circle of nature. And the seeds from the trees settle in the soil. They form roots and grow into new trees. The tree grows leaves that eventually turn into soil again. And then the circle starts all over again. There is no waste. Instead, the natural elements transform.
And then they get a new purpose and the circle starts again. Wow. What about us humans? What about our waste?
When we use things, a lot of it just turns into trash. It piles up and stinks.
Yeah, that trash really smells bad.
But imagine if we always did what nature does. When we empty a bottle, it gets shredded, melted, and eventually turned into a new bottle.
This can be done with a lot of our things, like turning an old shirt into a brand new one. The old t-shirts are sorted according to their colour and material. Then it gets broken down in its fibres, which are then spun into new yarn and made into new fabric. From this fabric, new t-shirts can be made.
Or a pickle jar into a jar of strawberry jam. The jars get collected. After collection, it gets crushed and cleaned from all additional material, like labels and lids. Eventually, it gets pulverised into glass dust. The glass dust is melted and formed into new jars, which are then filled with delicious strawberry jam.
Then the pile of trash would still stink, but it would not grow so much.
Exactly, that's called recycling. We collect and sort our trash so that it can be made into new stuff. Paper goes into the paper bin, glass into the glass container, and this bin is for plastic and other packaging. By recycling, we keep our planet clean, we save resources, and we reduce the amount of trash that ends up on that big pile.
How can you support recycling?